What's up, ladies and gentlemen, this is Dennis from Botster, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to extract reviews from Google. Before I continue, please don't forget to like this video to support the channel, and if you would like to see more bot and automation tutorials in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell button right now. You can easily find the bot on our website by using the search form. Just type in reviews. And there you have it, Google Review Scraper. I do highly recommend that you go through the documentation and thoroughly read it, because it does have a bunch of details worth your attention. Most of them I'm going to walk you through in this tutorial, but if at any point you feel like you're having trouble, refer to the documentation because it has most, if not all, of these issues covered. The first issue is that this particular bot does not work with hotel reviews. For that particular type of data, we have another bot coming up, and if you would like to see a tutorial on that bot, don't forget to subscribe and you'll be the first one to know when it comes out. Second thing which you need to know about this bot is that it accepts 3 types of inputs. So first one is a simple search string, for example, Mercedes-Benz Stadium, Atlanta, Georgia. If you're providing a search string like that to the bot, you need to be very specific as to where the object is located and make sure the name of the place is also spelled correctly. The other 2 ways include providing the place ID and the CID of the object to the bot, which is a much better way of pointing the bot to the correct object for data scraping. There's a bunch of information in the text description of the bot on how you can find both the CID and the place ID. If you used our Google Maps scraper prior to using this bot, you will get the place ID, which makes the process much easier. I'm gonna go with the search string because that's what most people use, and I'm going to click the Start This Bot button, give my job a name, so test scraping. I'll assign the project later. Now you have to select your location, which is not really your location, it's actually the bot's location, how it will present itself to Google. You don't really have to do that, but Google does tend to change the output order of the reviews depending on the location of the requester. So I'm not going to change anything, but if you are looking for language-specific reviews, Google does tend to vary the output data depending on user agent location. That's really all you need to know about this block. Now you can select how many reviews are you going to extract. I'm gonna go with 100 reviews. Actually, it's up to 100 reviews. So if the object has, I don't know, 50 reviews, obviously the bot is going to extract those 50 reviews, and that's it. Finally, you need to input your a list of your keywords or place IDs or CIDs. If you need a separate tutorial on finding CIDs and place IDs, let me know in the comments and I'll make one for you. But there's a very important point that if you're using CIDs and place IDs for review scraping, you will have to use the following format. So CID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and place ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Providing plain numbers like that, not going to work, right? Okay, so I'm ready to launch the bot. All I need to do now is select the type of notification I would like to receive once the bot completes the job. And I'm just going to skip this because this should not take a lot of time. And now I can click the Start This Bot button, and yeah, let's do that. As you can see, the job has been created and is now running. I'm going to pause this video for a little bit and wait for the bot to complete the scrape, and we'll talk to you really soon. Actually, before I pause, just a small reminder that if you're enjoying the video so far, please subscribe to the channel and make sure to like this video because it really helps us grow. Okay, we're back and the bot completed the job in about 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and click the View Data button. Great, you can see that the bot detected the object which I'm interested in with success and returned exactly 100 reviews from the users. Now you can go ahead and study the file. You have your review text, timestamp, profile name, profile URL, profile image URL, ratings, and other associated information. You can download the data as a CSV, Excel, or a JSON file. You can import it into your Google Sheets by clicking this button right here. And of course, you can click this link right here to make this spreadsheet public and share it with your colleagues. We've reached the end of the tutorial. Congratulations. If you liked it, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any requests, drop them into the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.